Welcome to Healthy Care, where we empower you with simple, effective ways to stay fit and healthy at any age. Today, we're bringing you a 10-minute chair workout designed specifically for seniors and men over 50 who want to target belly fat, boost energy, and improve overall health. Aging doesn't mean slowing down. Studies show that regular exercise can reduce visceral fat, improve heart health, and enhance mobility, even in your golden years. According to the CDC, adults over 50 who engage in moderate exercise can lower their risk of chronic diseases by up to 35%. This workout is low impact, beginner friendly, and requires only a sturdy chair, perfect for those with limited mobility or anyone looking to ease into fitness. Belly fat, especially visceral fat around the organs, is linked to higher risks of diabetes and heart disease, but consistent movement can make a big difference. In just 10 minutes, we'll combine seated exercises to strengthen your core, improve posture, and burn calories, all from the comfort of a chair. Before we start, grab a stable chair without wheels, wear comfortable clothes, and keep water nearby. If you have any health conditions, consult your doctor before trying new exercises. If you find this workout helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it to inspire others to stay active. Let's get moving and make fitness a blessing for your body. Let's start by warming up to get your muscles ready and blood flowing. Sit tall in your chair, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Now, let's dive into the main workout with 10 exercises, each lasting about 45 seconds with a 5-second transition. These moves target your core, burn calories, and build strength. Listen to your body. If anything feels uncomfortable, skip it or go slower. Let's finish with a gentle cool down to relax your muscles and lower your heart rate. Congratulations on completing this 10-minute chair workout. These exercises are a powerful step toward reducing belly fat, strengthening your core, and boosting your energy, all from a chair. Consistency is key. Aim to do this workout 3 to 4 times a week, paired with a balanced diet, to see results. Studies show that even light exercise can reduce visceral fat by up to 7% over time, improving your health and confidence. You've taken a vital step for your well-being today. If this workout felt like a blessing, share it with friends or family who could benefit. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more senior-friendly fitness tips. Thank you for joining us, and let's keep moving toward a healthier, stronger you.